What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights on the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with our daily dose of Volt. Got to keep y'all updated, everything going on right now. Also, we're taking a step back, looking at things from, the weekly perspective. And, I see this as a buying opportunity. So let's get into the page, and then we'll take a look at the chart real quick. So we can see, shout out to everybody representing Voltichange. We got Ian saying, I feel like Voltichange is going to come out soon and Voltichange is going to pump. Who wants to see me go on Pablo Crow's show and talk about Voltichange and how I am preparing to vote my next opponent in the UFC? So salute to everybody rocking with Voltichange. Brandon said it's Monday, time to vote this week. Let's go. Toshi says you can't ignore the voltage. We vote everywhere. So we got, I'm not even sure where this billboard is, but we got one in Las Vegas. No, two in Las Vegas, actually. I'm trying to get some clues real quick and see if I could try to pinpoint where this might be. Let me take a look at the comments. But yeah, I did that live stream showing y'all where, we had one of the billboards here in Las Vegas actually positioned in the most sought after location in Las Vegas. So that is very, very bullish. That billboard might even still be going right now. I'm not sure, but I updated y'all and told y'all we had 35 buses in Dallas that also are voted. So y'all know we have the buses in LA for 6 months. I'm not sure. I think it was like 60 buses if I'm not mistaken, but it's between like 25 to 60 buses. I gotta double check. We'll see right here. But it's so many things getting voted, I can't even keep up with everything right now. But this is very bullish as well to keep, just expanding into new cities. We want more and more awareness. The best thing to do during a bear market is just to keep your name out there in the forefront. I understand it can be tough from some people, not seeing the price go up, but you just have to understand, there are macroeconomic factors at play that we can't do anything about. This is why we invest wisely. This is why I always say never risk more than you're willing to lose. This is why I always say dollar cost average, so that way you get the opportunity to continue investing over a period of time and taking advantage of the discounts that the market present us with. So shout out to Believes. He said Voltichange update, the takeover is inevitable. So as you can see, even though the overall market is pulling back, and it's not just Voltichange, it's not just shibainu, it's all the top cryptocurrencies. Look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, look at everything, and it also is playing out in the stock markets as well. We got the Fed meeting happening the 20th and the 21st, so that's tomorrow and the day after. We got a lot of people expecting that interest rates will be increased by possibly 100 basis points. So a lot of people are worried about that, and we see the market pricing that in right now. But what you have to understand, that whatever gets priced in, eventually the market rebounds, so you get the opportunity to get a discount and the price goes up. Also, I try to tell y'all, during bear markets, short-term traders or day traders are likely to make more money during the bear market versus long-term holders, because short-term traders are buying low and selling high. If you're holding for a longer period of time, it's going to take you a little longer for your plan to actually play out, so you can't be affected by the short-term ups and downs. Am I encouraging anyone to start day trading? No, I'm not, because it is very, very risky. Already investing in crypto is risky, and if you don't understand technical analysis, it can be really hard to try to day trade. So keep that in mind. But once you learn some skills, let me see. Let's get our book of the day while we're speaking of this real quick. So I recommend this book right here, Technical Analysis for Dummies. Once you get a book like this, you finish this, or you reach out to me to get my technical analysis course, you can email me for it, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. But once you start to understand some technical analysis, then you could try, to be more risky with the day trading or whatnot. But let's keep going. So Vatoshi also says Vote Army, which was retweeted. Let's vote Robinhood. So if you haven't heard about this yet, we're waking Robinhood up to us. If you want to help, the movement, let them know about us by 1, click account or person icon at the bottom right of the screen. 2, click menu, the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. And 3, scroll down and click contact us 24/7. So I already retweeted this on my page. Y'all can find this. Also, 6 hours ago, BSC Daily says Voltichange Voltinu is now available on SwiftCoin. Volt, a hyper-deflationary token whose aims is to invest in multiple asset classes such as NFTs, nodes, altcoins, staking, and farming of stablecoins. So it's good to see BSC News talking about us. Let's see what else. Let's get a like and retweet. So Votoshi says Biden inflation rate month to month was up just an inch. The Volt Army. So CRG says Volt weekly burn update. Volt burned $30,759 over the last 140 days. Average daily amount of Volt burned equals 6,785 or 2.4 million annualized. So Volt burned 30,000 this week, and over the last 140 days, it came out to around 6,700 each day. So yeah, that's a ton of Voltinu being removed from circulation. So hyper deflationary. This will increase dramatically after the launch of Voltichange 2, as 100% of the fees will be used to buy back and burn Volt. You know, this hasn't even taken place yet. So if you get the opportunity, you know, if you after doing your own due diligence, you know, and you know being wise about it. If you get the opportunity to invest in Voltinu before Voltichange is released, I think that's a really good idea, because I think once people see the burn rate increased, you know, it's going to create a lot more hype. People will FOMO in after they start to see, you know, the zero get taken back away. We already showed that we can, you know, eat that zero in the meantime, but right now we got the overall market weighing down on it. So, you know, of course, it's going to affect Voltinu being a smaller altcoin. But yeah, I think this is very bullish. We're going to see a lot of people, you know, start to FOMO once they realize what's actually taking place. And then think about all the other projects that are also going to come to Voltinu. And Voltinu is listing, you know, all these other projects. Their community is going to be mentioning this to their communities. And in turn, they will check out Voltinu. So bullish on that. Let's see. I gotta throw some, you know, some support out there, you know, for the army. And this kind of goes hand in hand with my last tweet I just made. You know, we have to vote the good, the bad, and the ugly. Shout out to Big Cat. I think he won another fight. Salute. Okay, got that out there. Shout out to Adam Sheldon, always holding it down with Voltinu as well. It says anything is possible when you really vote for it. He dropped a video called Voltinu, Voting a Path to Greatness. So check that out, y'all. Voltoshi says Volt is here to stay. Are you? Of course. Let me know in the comment section. Are you short term? You know, what's your timeline looking like for Volt? Are you 1 year or less, 1 year or more, 3 years or more, or 5 years or more? Let me know in the comment section. So, you know, we got the contest going on right now to pay 2 people's energy bills every single day, up to $250 of it. So let's see our last winners. Volt says, congratulations to our 6 winners. I believe the 7th winners were already announced, but congratulations to our 6th winner. Please DM us your ETH address to get your prize. Get a chance to have your energy bill paid up to $250 by tomorrow. Okay, so it's 1 person every day. But this is the winner here. Jim Hess, he says extreme max voted, Voltinu, Volt, and tag Paris Hilton and Elon Musk, and also GM Mads. I'm not sure who that is. But here's the 7th winner right here. Congratulations to our 7th winner. Please DM us your ETH address to get your prize. Get a chance to have your energy bill paid up to $250 tomorrow by following us and retweeting this tweet. Make sure y'all following me too. Commenting with a screenshot of your bill and tagging 2 people. So shout out to Princess Sylvia on this one here. She says she tagged Big Cats Real, Casey, and Ian. Said Volt actually cares about the community and strives to make things better. Solid, and I hope this project continues to soar. At Volt Inu Official, thank you so much for this incredible chance. Volt Army, Volt VDSC, love from LA, USA. So that's dope. You know, really helping, you know, the people that need it the most. So let's see, and her bill was like, I think, yeah, so this is US dollars, so $618. So to get 250% of that, you know, is almost you know, half of her bill paid for. So salute to the entire Volt Army. Shout out to her as well. Shout out to Jake. Says, what tier 1 exchange do you want Volt Inu listed on next? We would say Binance, man. Of course, we get on Binance, it's a domino effect. Every exchange after that is listing us. But Toshi says, good morning, Volt Army. Okay, so we pretty much covered the majority of things. You can't vote your life if you don't survive the VAERS days. That's a very good point. And then you got to remember, we got Voltichange coming, y'all. Don't forget about that. The markets like to shake people out right before, you know, the good things take place. And then we start to see those who couldn't hold on jump back in and have to pay a higher price. So, you know, I just want y'all to be wise about it. If you want to sell, you know, do whatever you got to do. But I'm just letting you know what usually tends to take place. And I wouldn't even be surprised if I seen, you know, Volt shoot up, you know, 60-70%. So let's take a look where we are right now. We're at 6 zeros and at 7904 level. So right now we are down 1.7% for the day and down 22% for the week. That is a major buying opportunity. If you were buying at any of these prices up here, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you have to continue to buy. If you have the amount in your bag that you want, then you're fine. But if you were buying at these prices, you get an even cheaper price down here. So don't be afraid to buy in these ranges. But then if you start seeing the price shoot up, you'll start to chase the candles and buy up here. So keep that in mind. But Voltichange is still yet to come. We are at that point where we're almost oversold. If we look at the RSI, it's sitting at 40. We know 35 and below is considered oversold, so it could possibly pull back just a little more. We got the MACD just bounced across this line, so we could see buyers step in here shortly, but we don't have the volume, and the overall market is weighing on things, so we got to keep that in account as well. But that's all we got for this video. Keep in mind, it's 22% off right now for the week. I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.